Så ska ready, go!
Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, crash it, jam it, melt, upgrade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag it, drop it, zip and zoom it, lock it, fill it, code it, find it, view it, code it, jump and lock it, surf it, scroll it, pose it, click it, cross it, back it, twitch, update it, name it, read it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax, rename it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
This track again, y'all. NYC, 30 Southwest Coast, Midwest, let's go. If hip hop should die before I wake up, put an extended clip and volume all day. Rolling every station, wreck the DJ. Rolling every station, wreck the DJ. If hip hop should die before I wake, I roll an extended clip and volume all day. Rolling every station, wreck the DJ. Rolling every station, wreck the DJ.
I just died this morning and she dead. She's dead.
People smoke, chill, party, and die in the same corner. Get cast in fast body, they dance mama. Quick, fast, trigger fingers on the llama. Revenge in their eyes, Hennessy in the ganja. Words to the wise, with villain state of minds. Grinded here, Brazilian dimes from behind. Grinded here, Brazilian dimes from behind.
Grinded here, Brazilian dimes from behind.
Whenever if ever I roll up and stone up, any ghetto will tell you now I help grow what's up. My face once graced promotional stolen trucks. 100 million in billet, I helped pull him up. Gave my man my right, I could've went left. So like my girl Foxy, the kid went deaf. So people, who's the top 10? Is an MC Shan, is an MC Ren? If hip hop should die before I wake up, put an extended clip and volume all day. Rolling every station, wreck the DJ. Rolling every station, wreck